Hello everybody, hello Miss Mel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ikhwan Pribadi. You call me Adi. I was born and live in Jakarta. I'm 36 years old. I am student of business online learning, taking industrial engineering. I am work at PT Central Mega Kencana, the company industry jewelry that has a trademark such as Frank and Co, Miss Mondial, and the Palace. I have many hobby. One of them is fishing. I don't know why I like fishing. Although a lot of people hate it, but I really love it. Usually I spend my time to fishing in the weekend, and I always do it with my friend. Maybe for some people, the hobby of fishing is a hobby lazy people, spending money, unhealthy, just sitting around, wasting time, and several other negative sentiment towards those who have a hobby fishing. It is undeniable that is hobby of fishing cause angler to be willing to sit for hours on the edge of a river, lake, or sea while waiting for the bait on the hook to be struck by the fish, even willing to spend hundreds of thousands of or even millions of rupiah just to buy equipment and necessity while fishing. When compared with the catch, the expense are unlikely to be worth it. But it's my hobby. Sometimes beats everything. Like any hobby, fishing can be fun. The pleasure they from the satisfaction of an experience when the bait is struck by a fish after a while of waiting. Experience the struggle of pulling and lifting the fish safety so that they don't come off again. A skill that brings satisfaction to anglers. People's passion will be tested when fishing. Fishing hobby can train passion. The effort to get fish takes a lot of time. It can be hard waiting for the bait to be caught by the fish. Sometimes opportunity are lost and end up trying several times to try to catch a fish. This can be like to the therapeutical therapeutic effect of passion in an attempt to achieve something, especially if fishing is applied as a game that can train passion and concentration in children. Apart from practicing passion, fishing can also train concentration. When going to throw baits, angler will concentrate, focus on direction of the throw. After the bait is thrown, angler must concentrate on the hook because it's difficult to know when the fish will grab the bait. If the bait is struck, you have to concentrate on how to attract and let the fighting fish. Can't get fish but got friend. Usually, the angler will often meet other anglers. This hobby has been around for a long time, and don't be surprised for beginners if one day many people gather to fish, especially on holiday or there are fishing event or competition. We can share experience around this fun hobby and don't worry about running out of material to talk about. Actually, actually, fishing is not just sitting around. Fishing requires physical activity, such as throwing a rod, wheeling of the reel, fishing, and other physical activity. So, fishing can be categorized as a sport which is certainly good for health. Good for health. The last benefit of the hobby of fishing. Some say fishing can treat stress, even though if the bait is not struck all day, it can cause stress. For me, the hobby of fishing can eliminate boredom, reduce feeling of boredom from daily activity, and refreshing. Okay, here's my video about myself and my hobby. Okay, thanks. See you.